Welcome to my channel, Byte-Tech. How to install Simple Screen Recorder. Open Terminal. I'll leave all the commands under this video. Open the video of the recorded screen.
If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to receive new video notifications, subscribe to my channel. If you have suggestions on a topic that interests you, write in the comments below this video. If you like my videos and would like to support me, you can buy me a coffee here.